So once you downloaded your Sensorlinx app, created your account, we need to add your building. Go ahead and hit the plus sign, top right hand side. We're here, we'll just name it test. Now this portion you need to add your street address, county, state, and city. So here, now for us to be able to link your device, you would go ahead and hit link. This will enable your camera to pop up. On the side of the control, it does have a QR code. So now this is added on to your Sensorlinx app. So after you scan the QR code, create your building, add the device, new way of doing it is you hit the settings button, scroll down to configure Wi-Fi, start the Wi-Fi, join. It's going to scan, enter the network, put in your password. Once your Wi-Fi password is entered, go ahead and hit connect to network. Finish setup. Be sure you want to exit Wi-Fi setup. Hit OK. Once Wi-Fi is available, you will see a green dot up on the upper left-hand side of your control. This means you are now connected to the Wi-Fi. This portion we will go ahead and set your password. So from this portion you will go into hit next, then start entering your password that is associated with your router. One thing to remember is making sure you hit enter. So scroll down to next. We're just putting this password in so once password is entered, scroll down to none, scroll down to number 4, send to Wi-Fi. This will reboot and send Wi-Fi information over. On this portion you will hold down enter for a second. Once connection goes from ready to server, you are now connected to the Wi-Fi. You can also double check. Up here on the top left hand side, you'll see a Wi-Fi signal. Once you are connected to the Wi-Fi, go ahead and hit the tab. From here, we will go into your settings tab. From here, we will go into auxiliary backup. Change the min temp from 70 to 100. Set min temp. Max 120 is perfect. Sensor type, we want to enable T2. And now your backup schedule, you would set your timer. For now, we'll go ahead and put one from 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. What this does is enables the backup heating element to turn on and off according to the time schedule that you have set. If you need to set your auxiliary backup via the control, what you would do is hold down enter. In setup menu, you would go to auxiliary backup, hit enter. From here, you would hit enter, min temp. You want to hold down the up arrow change this to 100, hit set. Scroll down to auxiliary sensor, change that to T2, hit enter. From here you will go into schedule. You would choose morning schedule, evening schedule, just depends on customer's preference, but for here we'll go ahead and set one for 3 a.m. and set another for end time at 7 a.m. This enables your auxiliary backup to turn on and off according to your time schedule. Now once that is set, if you hold down the enter button, this will return you back to the main menu and your auxiliary backup is now set.